Hi, I'm Melissa from Rooted Home and Garden. Today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite herbs, rosemary, which I have planted here on top. In zones 8 and above, rosemary is evergreen and can be used as a shrub or a hedge. Below zones 8, you'll need to plant rosemary in a protected location with mulch around the roots, or plant them in containers so you can move them inside when it gets too cold. Rosemary is a full sun plant and is drought tolerant and likes to dry out between waterings. Because it likes to dry out, if you have poor drainage or clay soil, you might want to mound up the planting a little bit so the roots can get out of the water. If it doesn't get enough sun, then it will get leggy and won't put on full growth, and they really look bad if this happens, so be sure to put it in a spot where it gets enough sun. There's a lot of different varieties of rosemary, and some can get 5 to 6 feet tall. My personal favorite is a variety called Chef's Choice, which is a higher oil content than typical rosemary, which makes it better for cooking, which is the reason why I grow rosemary. Chef's Choice is also smaller, reaches only 18 to 24 inches tall, which means that rather than growing it for eating, you can grow it for its ornamental value. The needle-like leaves and the color of the plant give it a nice texture and context to the other types of shrubs. Remember, it is an evergreen, so it will provide a lot of winter interest in those cold months. So keep this one in mind when you are planning out your plantings. Rosemary doesn't need a lot of fertilizer. I just give a little bit of plant tone in the early spring and it will be all set for the year. Rosemary has violet blooms and pollinators love them, so you'll see bees and butterflies all around the bushes. Rosemary can get spider mites, scale, mealybugs, and whiteflies, so be on the lookout for that. However, if the plant is in full sun and healthy, it shouldn't be a problem. Because of its fragrance, you won't have any issues with deer or rabbits eating it. Rosemary can be used fresh simply by snipping off the branches, stripping the leaves. Try that with olive oil, red potatoes, and roast them in the oven. It's delicious. You can also tie branches together and hang them upside down to dry. Once dry, you can strip off the leaves and save them or leave them up as a decoration. One popular way to use rosemary is to use it as flavored oil or vinegar. You can also freeze rosemary, but you'll probably want to vacuum seal it. I hope you found this helpful, and be sure to leave any questions down below in the comments. And if you found this information helpful, please help us out by subscribing to the channel, and be sure to hit the notification bell so you'll know when we post our next video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful time in your garden. Bye.